In this video, I will share with you why 67% of rejections link back to your poor quality assurance system and not defective parts, and how you can spot that risk before it hits your line. If your biggest fear is that late night call about a line stop or a customer complaint with your name on it, then stay with me. Hi, I am Rahul Agarwal. I am the Managing Director at Forgings and Engineering Private Limited in India. And today I want to help you think safer and source smarter. As purchasing and sourcing leaders, I know you carry a lot of pressure of price, delivery, quality, and that too all at once. You must trust suppliers you may never meet in person and still protect your uptime, reputation, and customer commitments. A single rejection can explode into firefighting, containment costs, premium freight, and tense calls with leadership. I understand that clearly. The good news is that most of this risk is visible if you know where to look inside a supplier's quality assurance system. We often blame defective parts, but parts are only the outcome. The real issues hide behind them, and that is the quality assurance system. Number one is measurement blindness. Gauges that have a deviation. No MSA studies, operators not trained to measure the same way. Parts pass at the supplier end but fail at your plant. Paper perfect, floor poor. Neat PPAP files but no discipline on the line. No first of approvals, no reaction plan when trends shift. Tribal process control. Senior operator knows how to set the press, no standardized work instruction. And when he is absent, the capability collapses. Uncontrolled change. Dies are reworked, tools are swapped, heat treatment vendors are changed as and when, and there is no ECN, no revalidation. Late detection mindset. Heavy final inspection, but zero in-process controls. Defects are sorted but not prevented. These are the silent risks that keep you awake because they are invisible until a shipment lands and your line stops. Here is the hard truth. More inspection does not create quality. A supplier with weak systems can pass any one lot, but they cannot pass every time. A humble mid-sized shop with disciplined quality assurance habit will beat a flashy facility with weak routines. And price is a poor predictor of quality risk. Another insight for you. Certificates do not equal capability. I have seen ISO certified suppliers with no MSA, no capability indices, and no layered audits. On the other side, I have seen small companies with simple tools but strong process discipline deliver near zero PPE. Finally, the cost curve is brutal. A defect caught at your incoming inspection costs you maybe something, but when it is caught at the customer place, your cost multiplies. The cheapest time to buy quality is before the PU, by auditing the systems and not admiring the machines. Use this 7-point quality assurance maturity checklist when evaluating or managing suppliers, especially in forging and machining. CTQs to controls. For every critical to quality dimension, ask, where is this controlled? Look for clear control plans linked to CTQs. CTQs means consistent to quality, not generic checks. Measurement capability. Ask for MSA, GR and R on critical gauges and fixtures. Look for training records, calibration status, and a simple gauge handling SOP. Number 3, Process capability over time. Do not accept a one-time study. Ask for at least 30 consecutive pieces plotted with CP, CPK or PP, PPK trends and a reaction plan when capability dips. Number 4. First off to last off discipline. Check for first piece approval, changeover verification, in process verification, and last off verification. It prevents any deviation within the shift. Number 5. Change control. Review their engineering change process. Any change in die, tool, parameter or sub-supplier must trigger revalidation. Ask to see last 3 change records and evidence of sign-off. Number 6. Layered process audits. Is there a simple weekly audit by supervisor and monthly audit by management on CTQs, gauge conditions and 5S? Small, frequent checks beat annual audits. Number 7. Traceability and containment. Can they trace heat number, die cavity, operator and shift? Can they quarantine and sort within hours if an issue is found? Test this with a mock recall scenario. If you cannot visit, run a structured remote audit. Ask for live video of gauge use, first of approvals and the actual control plan at the machine. Documentation without behavior is a red flag. A European customer faced repeat rejections on a forged and machined yoke, and the issue was the ovality. The supplier kept sorting and shipping. The root cause was not the forging press, it was a worn ring gauge and with no MSA. Operator just adjusted based on their feel and there was no data. We helped them reset the system. We carried out fresh MSA, defined first off checks, SPC on ovality, weekly layered audits and an ECN gate for tool changes. Within 6 weeks, PPK moved above 1.67. Rejections stopped and the buyer slept better. The part did not change, the system did. The big idea is that you are not buying parts, you are buying the supplier's ability to make the same part the same way every time. Fear reduces when visibility increases. If you check the 7 signals of quality assurance maturity, you convert surprises into decisions. Before your next purchase order, ask, do I have evidence of capability over time or just paperwork for one day? If the answer is paper, then pause. A 1-hour system audit today can save weeks of firefighting tomorrow. I would love to hear from you. What's one silent quality assurance risk you have faced that did not show up in the code or the feedback? Share your experience. Your story might help someone avoid their next 2 a.m. call. Thank you and see you in my next video.